Hi everyone. I was watching all the news reports of Shane McGowan's funeral in Ireland and couldn't resist having another bash at one of my favourite Pogues songs. I got a bit carried away with all the layering up of instruments and trying to emulate the Pogues, not an easy thing to do. You'll be pleased to hear that I couldn't put the Irish whistle in because I didn't have one in the right key. So you were saved that. But here's my best efforts at a rendition of A Rainy Night in Soho. Hope you enjoy it.
1, 2, 3, 4. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years, down all the days. I've cried for all your troubles, I smiled at all your funny ways. We watched our friends grow up together, we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms. I sang you all my sorrows, you told me all of your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, I covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past, I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the past. Now this song is nearly over, we never find out what it means. There's still a light I hold before me, you're the measure of my dreams.